So now we know how important the nervous system is. Now let's talk about the structure of the nervous system and how the structure enables it to fulfill its job. In the nervous system, information is transmitted from the stimulus. And remember, a stimulus is just a change in the environment. The information is transmitted to the receptor, and the receptor are cells that detect the stimuli. This is then transferred to the coordinator, and the coordinator includes the brain and the spinal cord, or something that makes up the CNS, the central nervous system. This information is then transferred to the effector, and the effectors include muscles and glands. This means after the effector gets this information, the effector produces a response. There are specific nerves that transmit information from the receptor to the coordinator, and these are called sensory neurons. The relay neurons transmit information from the sensory neuron to the motor neuron, and these are in the coordinator. The motor neuron transfers information from the coordinator to the effector. Don't worry if this looks really complicated. I'm going to go through all of these things in detail. All you need to know so far is that information is transported all over your body through the nervous system. So let's talk about receptors. Well, receptors are what detect stimuli, and they're found in the sense organs. These sense organs include the eyes, the tongue, the nose, and the skin. So all these sense organs contain different types of receptor cells, which detect different stimuli. And let's look at some examples now. Well, the light receptors in the retina of the eye detect light stimuli. There are also taste receptors in the tongue which detect chemical stimuli. This is what allows you to taste something that's sweet or salty, and the green dots here represent the receptors in your tongue. There are also pressure and temperature receptors in our skin, and that detects pressure and heat respectively. There are also pain receptors, and that detects excess pressure or heat. These are the things that will detect if you touch something like a hot pan. We also have olfactory.
Hey guys, to continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific GCSE biology and combined science videos, just click the Snap Revise smiley face. Join me today and together let's make biology at GCSE a walk in the park.